So there are a few things that we use as much in the kitchen as we do mixing bowls, right? And this is a wonderful set from OXO that is nested mixing bowls and colanders. Bonus, they come with lids if you want to store them. So I really like this set. First of all, it's really, really good looking. I think the colors are beautiful, especially on the colanders. It's kind of like this sea glass color. And then you have these really pretty cream bowls. Now they are made of like a hard plastic, so they go into the dishwasher so easily, but I feel like they look really nice. Their quality definitely shows. There's a non-slip surface on the bottom of the bowls, and on the bottom of the colanders, there's kind of this wave pattern, and that just makes sure it's really stable when you do any sort of straining. So what I like about these is that with each bowl, there is a strainer. So depending on the size of the job, you've got a strainer for each, yet it's not taking up any extra space in your cabinets or with your kitchen storage. So for something like berries, this is fantastic. Even if you wanted to wash some berries, set this inside the bowl and allow the liquid to drain from the berries, this would be great. This might be good for grapes or something like that, or maybe you wanted to prep another fruit or vegetable. And then for the big one, what I use this most often for is pasta. So like a full pound of pasta, no problem, fantastic like this. I really like the bowls for simple salads, for any sort of food prep is great. The lids are nice in that they nest on top of one another. And whether you're transporting something somewhere or you simply just want to prep something and keep it in your fridge, it's nice to have those. But what I really love, what I think makes this product extra special, is that the bowls look as good as they function, meaning they're going to be really durable. This is a set you're going to have for years to come. And I just think it's smart how they nest so beautifully, and you get those 3 different sizes of colanders. So you really kill a couple birds with one stone, in that mixing bowls, colanders, also something to transport food in. It's a simple thing, but something that's made my life easier in the kitchen, and that OXO brand is just tried and true, and I love it for so many things. This is a great set.